Hey friends, I'm Renee with the Flippin' Tilbies, and we just finished renovating this 2000 Holiday Rambler. It had been retired as a snowbird's second home, and it was living out its life as a giant lawn ornament. We love finding rigs like this with fantastic bones and giving them new life. When we were renovating this rig, we basically stripped it down to the studs and rebuilt it back up. We replaced everything, including the ceiling, the flooring, repainted all of the walls. We even redid the entire exterior, removing all of the graphics, buffing out all the Phylon, and repainting all of the lower section where it was painted at, to really give the exterior a new life, just like we were planning on doing for the interior as well. So let's show you guys around. At the front of the rig, we have these captain's chairs that we have professionally reupholstered. Both of the chairs swivel around to be able to be used in the living area as well, creating tons of seating. Moving back on into the living room, we have this fantastic couch that does lay down into a bed, giving you extra sleeping for a guest. And then moving over to this side of the living room, we did leave this side blank to be able to customize it for whoever purchases it. We can put in a fireplace, we can do bunk beds, we can even do a second office space because we already have a fantastic office space in the primary bedroom as well. And then moving over here into the dining area, we did build this large bench that also doubles as a huge storage space with easy access. We love that. And then we have this beautiful bench, but this bench also plays double duty. You can move it into the living room and use it as a coffee table, depending upon what your needs are. But it does allow you to have a ton of seating when you do have guests over. And then coming over into the kitchen, we have this custom-made solid surface epoxy countertop. We have this beautiful drop-down convection oven that allows you to pretty much cook wherever you want. This thing has all the bells and whistles. Moving to the back of the rig, we have this beautiful, luxurious primary bedroom. We did install a top-of-the-line RV mattress with cooling and all of the bells and whistles as well. Moving on into the bathroom, we have this beautiful vanity, mirror, wallpaper. We love that. Lots of storage in these two drawers, and then we did install a large shower using luxury vinyl tiles. It's fantastic, it's beautiful, it looks like Carrara marble, but it is basically indestructible vinyl tiles. There's a beautiful shower head with a handle on it, and then over here we have the water closet. We love this style of bathroom because it allows somebody to shower while somebody is also using the bathroom. There's a fantastic cabinet above the toilet for storage, which is always good. And then right here, we have a place to put your towels. And then one of my favorite features is that there is a laundry space. We have a splendid all-in-one washing machine and dryer that allows you to wash and dry your own stuff right here instead of having to go to the laundromat. One of my very favorite features of this RV renovation is the large office space in the primary bedroom. We put this huge desk space in here, making it so that anybody could pretty much do any work they needed to. This really is a digital nomad's dream, being able to have this huge office space and being able to enjoy all the views of all the places that you're visiting to. We love this primary bedroom because there is so much storage. Not only are there large cabinets, but there are banks of drawers on both sides of the large closet. Storage in RVs is sometimes very hard to come by, and so on this renovation we made sure that we gave you as much as humanly possible, so you don't have to skimp on any of your clothes when you're doing the RV lifestyle. Now that we showed you guys all of the awesome things about the interior of this RV, now let's show you a few fun things about the exterior of it. One of the best things about these Class A motorhomes is the amazing amount of underbelly storage. This rig in particular has 13 underbelly storage compartments of various sizes, allowing you to bring anything your heart desires on all of your adventures. This rig also boasts the Caterpillar diesel engine, a 6-speed Allison transmission, and it runs on the Freightliner chassis. This rig also has a full solar setup, and it has a 7,500 watt diesel generator, allowing you to go anywhere, boondock for as long as you want, and not have to sacrifice any amenities. RV renovation took us about 4 months to complete, and as of the time of filming, it is for sale. So if you're interested in purchasing this rig or interested in seeing what other rigs we have for sale, you can email us at renee@theflippintilbys.com. You can also follow along on all of our adventures by following us at The Flippin' Tilbys on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And we would really appreciate a like and subscribe so we can continue making content like this to be able to help you guys with your own RV renovations. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and happy RVing.